Di na rason ang busy schedule para ipagpaliban ang pangangalaga sa kalusugan. Inulunsad ng Healthway ang kanilang pinakamalaking outpatient multi-specialty center sa loob mismo ng isang mall sa Makati. Narito ang agenda report ni Pierre Pastor.
Busy kaya hindi makapagpa-check up? Ito ang nais bigyan ng solusyon ng Healthway. Opisyal nang inilunsad ang Healthway Flagship Multi-Specialty Center sa Juan Ayala Mall sa Makati City, kasabay ng 28th anniversary ng Healthway Medical Network. Pwedeng isabay ang malling at appointments with a doctor ng buong pamilya. Ito ang pinakamalaking outpatient facility ng HMN. Nasa loob ng mall, pero may 14 consultation rooms, ambulatory surgery center para sa outpatient procedures, 12-chair dialysis center, at may specialized women's center pa with mammography.
It reflects AC Health's continuing commitment to making healthcare actually more accessible, more connected, and more convenient, and more responsive to the needs of our patient base. No? So majority of our patients work in offices, no? So it's very important for them to be able to easily drop by the clinic.
Isa pa sa ipinagmamalaki ng Healthway ay ang kanilang full continuum of care at referral pathways to specialized services, kasama na ang kanilang cancer care hospital sa Taguig.
Our advantage is we have this very clear and seamless pathway from our corporate clinic to our multi-specialty clinics, and if they need emergency or inpatient care, other specialized services, we can also refer to our Healthway hospitals.
Ilang hakbang lang din mula sa Healthway Hospital ay ang St. Joseph Drug powered by Sugi, isang Japanese-inspired pharmacy. Lahat ng pharmacy needs ay naroon na, makikita din ang ilang Japanese-made wellness products.
So that the patient can move seamlessly from getting the prescription, the consultation, getting the prescription, and the prescription fulfillment.
Bukod sa nasa loob ng mall, ang clinic, malapit din ito sa key transport hub ng Juan Ayala. May 100 on-site physicians ang Healthway Multi-Specialty Center. Para sa agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.